Quick tip for when you're purchasing tile. Tile manufacturers are getting much better at creating faux wood and faux stone tiles, mimicking not only the color but even the textures. And while this tends to be a far cheaper form of buying tile, there's also some things that you need to be careful of if you want to get the right look. When purchasing tile, you'll normally see a very small sample just to give you an idea of what sort of color variations are in the tile. While that's helpful, it won't always help you see the tiles that get duplicated often in the same package of tile. You can sometimes hide that duplication by changing up the pattern of the tile that you lay on your floor. While there are tiles with beautiful repeated patterns, if you're going for a wood or stone look, a repeated pattern is going to drive you absolutely bonkers once you get it installed. Tile that duplicates often is pretty hard to hide when you're covering large areas, so make sure you get a pretty good floor sampling before you make any final decisions.